from South Nutfield, yet another sunny day, another day. So today I'm going to do an absolute British classic and one of my ultimate favourite puddings. And the cameraman is looking very, very interested in this. It's a very simple pudding, and it's I'm going to make a sponge pudding. Now my grandmother used to make sponge puddings. It took her 2 hours to steam the sponge pudding. Today we hope to have this done in 3 or 4 minutes. So without further ado, let me just take you to the ingredients. It's very simple. And what you do first is, the first thing I did was weigh my eggs, because all the ingredients are the same weight. So I weighed the eggs at 140 grams, about 4 ounces. So there's 2 eggs, then 140 grams of self-raising flour, then 140 grams of butter and olive oil mix, and 140 grams of caster sugar, which couldn't be simpler, could it? So that's the actual ingredients for the pudding itself. Then for the fillings, I'm going to do 3 different fillings today. One is Morello cherry jam, 1 lemon curd, and 1 golden syrup. And to go with that, I've also got the juice of half a lemon in here, and some cream and some custard to do it later. And we're going to do them in cups today. Very simple, very good student dish. Any of you students there, we're going to cook it in cups in the microwave. So without further ado, let's just put the ingredients in the mixer. You just put all the ingredients in. 1, no messing about. 2, 3, that's all the oil and butter going in, and the 4th one are the eggs, when I can get through it. Thank you very much indeed. Throw the eggs in. So they're all the same weight. Let's get them out of the way. Let's get the mixer going. Now we'll just mix these with in a mix. You can do it in a bowl if you like, or whatever you fancy. A mixer, bowl. There you go, and just put it on, and we'll run for about 4 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. Right, the mix has been mixed for about 3 or 4 minutes. It's nice and ready and smooth. It's just ideal for making the pudding. The first thing we'll do is just going to put the oil in the cups so that it comes out nice and easy. I've got a bit of spray olive oil, but you could use a bit of butter or whatever you fancy, just to make sure everything comes out neat and tidy out the cups when it comes out the microwave. So just a light spray. I'm using olive oil, so that'd be nice. Now I'm also going to experiment by using this yogurt pot. I've never used the yogurt pot, so let's see how it works. Give that a quick spray. Right, now then I'm going to put in my fillings. I'll start with the golden syrup. One of my schoolboy favourites, most people's schoolboy favourites. Just put a blob in the bottom, about a teaspoon and a half. Oh, nice. Everyone used to ask for extra at school. Then we're going to use my other favourite, lemon curd. I like to make lemon curd, but I haven't on this occasion. So we'll put another couple of teaspoons in this one. Just lovely. Oh, I love lemon curd. Come on, that's good. And then the last one, I'm going to use cherry jam. So we'll make a jam sponge. Oh, look at my granny used to make cherry jam and plum jam. Very nice. I'll put that in there. And what should we have in the last one? Shall we try? I tell you what, we'll have a little bit of syrup sponge, eh? Seems it's a schoolboy favourite. Ah. Any students are there? You could do it in a coffee cup if you wanted, you know, a plastic coffee cup or a paper coffee cup, probably better. So let's see how this works. That's good. So that's gone in there, the fillings have gone in. Now the last thing I've got to do is add a touch of lemon juice to this mixture, because I've got a lemon sponge, so I've got half a lemon, juice of half a lemon, put it in there. Just give it a quick stir. It should be ready. There we go, look at that. The mixture's ready. So we'll just pop the mixture in the receptacles. Out of the way. So I'm going to put about I'm only going to fill half of it. I'm not going to fill the whole because it does puff up nicely and you get a lot of space to be rising. So let's see how it works. That's the lemon curd going in. Now the jam sponge. And the last one will be the yogurt pot with syrup in it. Let's see, that I need a bit more in this one because it's a bit bigger vessel. Now I'm going to put them in the microwave now. They should take, depends on the microwave, but about 1.5 to 2 minutes. And this size is not very big, so let's just get them in the microwave. Now I'll do 2 at a time. So I'll do the first 2 here, the syrup sponge, 2 in there, and we'll give it 2 minutes. There you go, 2 minutes on the full power in the microwave, but I'll watch it whilst it's doing, just in case it just goes too far. Shouldn't take long. And when it's ready, I've got some custard right there. I'm being very lazy again and bought the custard. I haven't made it today, and I've got some cream, British cream, that I'm going to put in as well. It's an absolute British classic of mine. And look at the time, not even a minute. 2 minutes in the microwave should be perfect. So let's hope so. Well, my puddings have come out of the microwave, and one thing I've got to tell you is you've got to let them stand a little bit once they've cooked, because they're very, very hot jam and sponge, and it just makes them a little bit better. But as you can see, my syrup sponge has come out as an absolute delight with a little bit of custard. There's always going to be a fight for more, aren't there? So look at that sponge, perfect sponge. Be very careful because it's quite hot, so I'm going to try it now. Second. Lovely. It takes me back to my childhood, my days at school. Now the jam one is a lovely colour, I think. You've got to be very careful because this jam is very, very hot. I'll put a bit of custard on it. But as you can see, the sponge has come out beautifully. I'll just try the jam one. Lovely. So, all of you guys out there who don't have any ovens, equipment, steamers, nothing, beautiful sponge pudding in 5 minutes time. Absolutely perfect. Great fun and great for students and great for us all. Listen, I know it's week 14 of my lockdown. We're still locked down in sunny South Nutfield. Do come back and see us. Stay safe.